At Jasso Systems, we have made this Morse Lab, and in this Morse Lab we have various products like automatic transmission of Morse code. Then today I'll be showing this Morse code reader. Now, Morse code reader can be integrated with communication system, and a person who is not knowing Morse code can also communicate with other transmitting stations using Morse code. Now, in this particular model, there is a audio input where you can feed in Morse audio, and this will convert it into text and display it over here. At the same time, it will send out Morse audio for integration with system or connecting an external speaker. One can manually key in Morse using this key, and that will also display in text mode. So one can use it for learning purpose also, for practicing Morse code, as to see whether he is sending Morse transmission correctly or not. Now I'll switch on and explain it over here. So you have to switch on. Now there is a facility of Bluetooth also in this, and without connecting through wire, it gets connected over here. Now I've taken a Morse code clip from a mobile phone, and I'll play that one. Now I'll stop this transmission, and now I'll show how to transmit using Morse key. Now there is a contrast control. You can adjust the contrast of the display over here and to display it clearly. Then there is a sensitivity control. Depending on input, we have to adjust the sensitivity. So for Morse key, initially we'll keep the sensitivity at low and slightly more, and then I'll transmit and see whether it is. Yeah, so I transmit A, then so like this one can practice from Morse key also. Thank you.